Hi guys, it's Miti and we are going to unpack one of the, if not the very first transfers samples I've got. Very smart, very smart. I love it already. That's very smart to send samples in this like that. And I sent a t-shirt as well. Wow, I'm really excited right now. All the stuff, explain what is what. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. I love it. The company called Supa Colour here in UK. I'm not quite sure what kind of what the best transfer to do use for. I'm a little bit against the cold feeling of the transfer, but it's very vibrant color and it's already cat hair on it. But I have to tell you, to send me a t-shirt and the bag like this, they already really got me to consider them, because the customer service is amazing. And yes, they sent me an L. They have no idea who I am, so I will put this on, but I'm not going to strip in front of you. So let me feel the t-shirt. How does it feel? Because I'm still looking for the best textile fabric to have. I know I'm not visible the whole picture now, but I'll put this on, yeah. That's really cool, very smart. I'm definitely going to email them. I like it. I like this shirt now. I definitely will wear it. So got the booklet. It's very good because I still don't know almost nothing about what transfers I should use. It tells information about the minimum order quantities, the questions that I was looking at them yesterday, what I need to ask for a printing company or a print on demand company. That what I'm looking for is their service could satisfy my needs. This is a properly signed. This is really a signature from the guy, from Paul. It's not just a printed thing, and I feel the personal touch within. I will need to go through this exactly about everything, but let's see what is what. Okay, so they labeled every one of them. I really love it. Can I take this off? I could, not yet. This is for caps. I don't have, and I'm not going to start just hats and stuff. First time actually I start having you know what? I'm going to have hats and stuff just to just to understand I love it. Ah, come on. Okay. This is for nylon bags, umbrellas. I don't know what's a ute bags. Okay. Oh, that's an eagle. I don't even showing to you this stuff on, am I? Not quite sure what it is, but I guess it's a place, isn't it? Does it look like Australia? It's cool. I like this skull actually. This is my shirt is, I mean almost, the bag. You know, but I'm going to wear that, use it for sure. Okay, these are for cotton garments, polyester and polycotton. And they didn't send the big stuff, which I would like to work out, but that's nice. I like it. The eagle again. The eagle again. Obviously they're using that stuff. Their name. So it's probably it's just me that until I'm not physically doing it, it's just really hard for me to get the whole thing. I'm sorry. There's more cotton, sublimated garments that bleed, not suitable for soft shell. It's kind of the same designs. Some of them maybe a little bit different. Like we got this Australia type. We have this thing, which is, oh, I don't know which side which, but that has a feel as well, a texture. Interesting. It's bold, but then this is actually good. I like it. Obviously, I can use these designs for my shirts or something, like I wanna. I'm really happy about it. I'm also waiting for already one more design samples. I cannot use these samples yet because I don't have a heat press, because I'm still calculating how to start it best. I'm going to have a couple of that's for soft shell fabric, less stretch. Okay, the same thing. Yeah, we've seen this. That's bigger now. Oops. Yeah, it's the same stuff. It's just a little bit feels different. So yeah, I'm waiting for one more to arrive as well to see the sample. I'm going to definitely look into this because I'm already having in this booklet as well some information how much it would cost for each of the stuff, which I could start. I'm getting more information about the fabrics, what I'm going to have. I would like to start with many things at once, but I will have to make sure the brand is out, the company is receiving audience, and connections and stuff. before I'm able to scale. So what does it mean is, for now, as a streetwear, right now is going to be t-shirts and hoodies or sweatshirts. I would like to go sweatpants, jeans and denim jackets also, but these are for different designs. One more, I believe, maybe not, but at the moment I'm not quite sure where that goes yet. Then one more is going to be, as you may well know already, an active wear, and I'm calling it active wear other than gym wear because when one more message is going to be out there, you will understand it way better why it can cover almost, if not all the sports. And I don't want to get into like that it's just for gym people. For one, because yes, I'm into fitness and I am I love being in the gym that has a different environment. I have a couple of small equipment at home that actually would definitely serve me well to work out at home without me going into gym. Maybe I will need to upgrade a couple of weights after a month or two, but other than that, I will not need to go to gym. I should not pay 20 plus pounds for going to gym, but I want to. The environment I like, even though I don't like to train with anyone, I don't like to talk with anyone. I'm just going there, minding my own business, minding my own thoughts, my music, my podcast, or anything I'm listening to. So this is why one more can cover for every aspects of sport and activities. So when that arrives, obviously I'm going to record that too, because I'm going to be really, really excited. But right now, these transfers I've got, I have exactly which garments, which transfers I need to use for how many seconds, or what heat I need to apply, what heat I need to apply. I am really, really pleased with the customer service, or how they are treating the potential customers of theirs, because whatever I'm going to receive, I got a very fast reply last time from the other company, and how I'm going to receive things, it's really, really, really important, because most likely these companies know that they're not the only one, and I'm still just playing with two of them for now. I'm going to go and check out even more, but again, of course, I want a good quality, but at the same time I want to give the opportunity for smaller companies, just like I am now, who can show their quality, their customer service is just as good or not better than the companies that are already in the market for a while now and they're good. Yeah, anyways, I really like the fact I got a shirt, I got the feels, and I just grabbed my own boob. I got the feels. This one is big. I can see that that's probably the biggest they can do, and maybe that's why they're showing it. I think it's a good what it is, size. That's a word I'm looking for. And the fact that I did not use my external microphone, I just do hope the sound will be good enough. But hey, checking everything is okay. Yeah. It's exciting. That's actually a very first unpacking of the transfer samples. I am very happy what I've seen, and I'm going to decide this week, hopefully if not this week, but at least end of this month. The starting way of the company will be maybe a partnership and I'll outsource a couple of things so I can actually start it and I can focus on things that actually could drive the name out even faster than if I would do everything on my own. But I can't wait to actually try this. So even so, I may outsource for now the printing itself. I am most likely going to purchase all the equipment I need so I can start practicing and actually learning how things works, but already the company is moving forward. So that's most likely going to be a plan. I'm going to have a couple of more phone calls and hopefully visits for the partnerships, which are obviously within UK or actually within England. I'm not quite sure if I would like to drive 4 or 5+ hours for now, but it doesn't mean I won't, because we are talking about a dream to come true. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. Now I guess I'm going to go to work. I just got home from work about a gym, but continue working and maybe going to be making some big changes now. Anyways, peace and love. I'm out.